Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Ken coming at you from Ken.com. 1970 Pontiac Firebird. True Phoenix. I'm getting ready to take this low reverse piston. This guy, he took a screwdriver and stuck it in and pulled it out, but I saw him put it on. I saw him do this. I said, how come I can't just do it like that? So the only thing I did was I just taking it, and moving it, just pushing it up a little bit, and then grabbing it like this, pulling it off. That's it. This one is flat, so I've got one in there that's flat. This one, the second one, see if I can do it the same way. No, it doesn't look like it. Doesn't look like I can do it the same way. Oh, it looks like it can, yeah. Not quite, I guess. I don't know. I took this pick here and tried to do it, and it was too strong for the pick. The little black pick, so I just don't think it's a good idea to use a screwdriver to pull that out. See how that, I mean, can you imagine taking a screwdriver doing that? I hate to do that. Here's my little tool that I had before. Let's see if it'll work. See, I don't want to do that. I don't want to gouge that. So I'm grabbing it. And pushed it forward. I grabbed the rubber and pushed it forward. Can't see for these glasses I got on. Oh man, that joke went back in there. Took it, pushed it forward, grabbed it, then pulled it off. I hope y'all saw that. No, you didn't, did you? You didn't see it. That's all right. You got to take it off. That's all you need to know. So, but anyway, I guess I had to end up getting a screwdriver. Let me see if I can do this one. But either way it go, I don't remember. I didn't gouge it. And that came out really easy. The center one. So there you go. Now, you know, I was supposed to have my tools ready before I started messing with you guys. And I did not have my tools together. So I need to get me some grease and some, what do you call this stuff? Transmission fluid. And I'll be back in a minute. Ken coming at you from Ken.com. 1970 Pontiac Firebird, a True Phoenix. Rodan is what I call her. Talk to y'all later. That looks funny, doesn't it? Talk to y'all later.